Hello, how can I help?
Hello, I'm here because of some complaints about the loud noise at the party.
No worries, sir, we'll turn down the volume.
Okay, well, now I just need to ask some questions and you will be free for the afternoon.
Okay, no problems.
So, are your parents at home?
No, we're alone right now, but nothing dangerous has happened.
Are there any types of alcoholic drinks or drugs involved in the party?
Absolutely not. Sure, that's all.
Oh, yes. Good afternoon.
Thanks, the same to you.
How strange. Although there were many complaints about the loud noise, everything was dead silence when I arrived. I need to talk to the detective about that.
Excuse me, Lari, can I sit here? Yes, of course, sit down.
Lari, yesterday I have to visit a house because of some complaints about the loud noise. But when I got there, I actually didn't hear a single tweet. Don't you think this is strange?
That's really strange, especially because I haven't heard a single complaint from this neighborhood in decades. Let's go there tomorrow.
So this is the house?
Yes, it is.
Oh, sorry, I know it's sudden, but did something happen to the house next door?
Actually, yes. Sometimes I wake up at dawn, and today I saw a person wearing only black coat, and it seems that he was taken with him moving baggage. But besides then, I didn't see anyone there.
Oh, okay, thank you for telling us.
You're
Have a good night.
welcome.
Come in, please.
Hello. Sit down.
So you are Lara Sharp, right? And do you happen to know Valentina?
Yes, we are childhood friends, but about a year ago, she started to ghost me, and I think it is for real because she hasn't contacted me till nowadays. Sorry I was caught up at the moment, but something happened to her.
Yes, Valentina was missing a week ago along with 4 other girls. They were all in the same party and we don't know where they might be right now. So if you can give any clues, any information about where they might be right now, it will be of help.
Oh my god, are you a serious detective? My friend is missing.
Unfortunately, yes. That's why we need to gather as much information as possible about this case. So do you have any idea of why she stopped talking to you?
About a year ago, someone spread this rumor of a big hit gambler that would make any follower of his filthy rich. I remember that I talked about it with Valentina because she seemed interested. However, at some talk, she forgot about it.
But do you know who the gambler is?
Oh yes, she's one of our old classmates.
Okay, Lara, thank you for the cooperation.
We didn't gather any information that lead us to the real murder.
That's alright. Let's pack everything up and get out of here.
Wait, Mario. I forgot to tell you that Valentina posted a photo with her friends when they were at the Glamber's house. Look. Can you send us this group photo?
Sure, I sent them. And I sent you...
This one number.
Okay. I sent them.
Thanks.
Oh, thank you, Lara, for giving us this type of information. But we gotta go now.
Okay, good.
Tell me when you find Valentina.
Okay. The information that Lara gave to us is very important to this case.
Sorry, I know you're busy, but yesterday I saw a strange person on this area. I think you should take a look around on this place.
Oh, thanks for telling that to us. We will take a look around.
You're welcome.
exhausting. We have to spend our entire afternoon looking around this area and we haven't found anything yet. What is this? Hey Mari, look what I found. There were several letters stuck in the mailbox, but I think this one is the most important. It mentions a new address. Oh Mari, that's true. I think the murderer went there to hide himself. We need to go there immediately. Let's go. I think it's better if you stay here, okay? I give you a gun.
Drop the gun.
Okay, before you do anything else, can you at least tell me if you really killed everyone at the party and show who you are?
Yes, I killed all of them, and I'm me.
Hands on air, hands on air. Turn back. Throw your weapon to the ground. Now. Hands on your back. Are you alright? Yes, thank you, lad.